Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study for Commercial Pilot Easy Method. Begin by creating a simple plan that splits study into theory, procedures, and flight practice. Schedule consistent 90-minute sessions and include short breaks to keep focus. Use active recall, question banks, and brief oral reviews with a study partner. Track progress in a log and adjust priorities based on mock test performance and instructor feedback. Focus on methods that stick: active recall, spaced repetition, and timed question practice. Mix short video lessons with hands-on simulator sessions to reinforce concepts visually and kinesthetically. Create flashcards for callouts, limits, and procedures, then review them daily. Schedule weekly mock exams and debrief every mistake to convert errors into lessons. Keep sessions brisk and varied to maintain motivation and long-term retention. Create a weekly plan that balances ground theory, simulator time, and dual instruction flights. Prioritize high-weight subjects like air law, meteorology, and aircraft systems when scheduling study. Choose official guides and reputable question banks for reliable material, and consult your instructor for clarification. Review errors immediately after practice tests and reattempt similar questions to build confidence and competence before check rides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.